Imagine trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, silver, Tesla, Apple, and even Nvidia, all from one single crypto exchange 24/7 using USDT. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Phemex is offering right now. If you're a trader who loves crypto but also wants exposure to stocks and precious metals without traditional market restrictions, this is for you. In this video, I'll show you what Phemex is, what makes it different, and why over 10 million traders worldwide trust this platform. Let's get into it. Phemex was founded in 2019 and has grown into a user-first crypto exchange trusted by over 10 million traders globally. What makes Phemex stand out is that it's not just another exchange. It's a complete trading ecosystem built for beginners, intermediate traders, and professionals. Phemex offers a wide range of products to suit different trading styles. First, futures trading. Phemex provides an advanced derivatives ecosystem with unified margin, strong risk controls, and leverage of up to 100 times on selected pairs. Second, spot trading. With over 600 trading pairs, ultra-fast execution, and 99.999% uptime, Phemex is built to perform even during high market volatility. Third, copy trading. Phemex has more than 17,000 traders and over 80,000 copiers, making it easy to follow experienced traders and learn while earning. Fourth, strategy trading. You can automate your trades using AI-powered strategies like futures grid, martingale, and funding rate arbitrage. And finally, earn and fiat services. Phemex offers flexible staking, on-chain earn products, and fiat on and off ramps to make trading and investing more accessible. Now let's talk about what makes Phemex really exciting right now. Phemex is currently running the TradFi Futures zero-fee Carnival. This means you can trade traditional finance futures with zero trading fees and share a 100,000 USDT prize pool. Yes, zero fees. With TradFi Futures on Phemex, you can trade precious metals like gold and silver with leverage of up to 100 times. You can also trade stock futures including Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, Meta, Coinbase, MicroStrategy, and many more. You are not buying the actual stocks. You are trading price movements, just like crypto futures. Trades are available 24/7, including weekends and holidays, and everything is settled in USDT. If you already understand crypto futures, you already understand TradFi Futures on Phemex. Here are quick answers to common questions. TradFi Futures are derivative products that track the price of traditional assets like stocks and precious metals. They are available 24/7 with no market close. They use USDT margin, the same wallet as crypto futures. Leverage varies by asset, so always check the trading details and manage risk responsibly. Now let's talk about fee rewards. Phemex also runs an airdrop campaign called Candy Drop. Candy Drop allows users to earn rewards by completing simple tasks like trading, depositing, and inviting friends. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn, and those candies increase your chances of winning airdrop rewards. Right now, there is a Candy Drop campaign with a 300,000 mega token prize pool. New users share 150,000 mega tokens, and existing users also share 150,000 mega tokens. So if you're already trading, Candy Drop is an easy way to earn extra rewards on top of what you're already doing. Now let's wrap this up with why so many traders are choosing Phemex. Phemex offers a diversified ecosystem that combines crypto, stocks, metals, automated strategies, and earning products all in one place. The platform is built on institutional-grade infrastructure with advanced security and strong risk control systems. Phemex also provides 100% proof of reserves using Merkle tree verification, allowing users to verify that their assets are fully backed on-chain. Most importantly, Phemex is built for the future, designed to empower traders at every level with reliable tools, transparency, and constant innovation. If you want to trade crypto, stocks, and precious metals without traditional limitations, Phemex is definitely worth checking out. Use the links in the description to register, join the TradFi Futures Zero Fee Carnival, participate in Candy Drop, and start exploring everything Phemex has to offer. Trade responsibly, manage your risk, and take advantage of these campaigns while they are live. I'll see you inside Phemex.